I'm excited about this knife because this has been my everyday carry for about a decade now, maybe just a little bit more. So Winchester knife. I didn't buy it myself. I actually found it in my drawer one day. And I started using it, and out of all the pocket knives I would buy or be gifted, this is the one that I will go back to. All the other ones were just too bulky, or there was just something I didn't like about it. Fortunately, this has been used a lot. And sometimes I just want something a little bit more elegant for my more dressier clothing. So comparing, it's obviously way thinner, which is a huge plus. Now keep in mind, I do have other knives like an SE PR4, I think that's what it's called, which is a fixed blade. I have a Gerber fixed blade. I just want something thin I can wear with my work clothes. Some little nice evening out. Not the sharpest, but I can definitely feel it's sharp. Love this texture. Now the box is pretty cool because there's nothing in here, but I swear it feels like there's something inside. It's got a little bit of weight. To be honest, I don't want us to wear it anywhere else but here. It's just so cool. I love that. I love this simple, minimal take on things. It calls for me. It's my type of style, I guess. And this is my first James brand knife. I do have their keychain and titanium key rings. I just bought that first. Within the week, I decided to get this knife. And if I really do enjoy this, I'm gonna look for something that's actually slightly bigger than this, but can still carry for one of those special times that I don't carry this. Let me see. I'm too afraid to try and pry it out. Yeah, I don't want to damage this box. Like a block. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up. I'll do some research and see if there really is something, or it's just that well made of a box. Oh, by the way, this does come with this little package or little envelope, which I did use the knife to open. Since this is my second James brand package, I just have duplicates of things. But it came out with this little card. Okay. Made by James, whoever James is. Probably some guy named James. And of course, I mean, we spent a lot of money. Oh, these are my other titanium key rings I have to use. Can't go wrong with stickers. I just need to find out where I want to put them. Sorry, I'm kind of whispering. It's late at night and I don't want to wake up the kiddo. So I'm stumbling with my words here. But yeah, I'm definitely excited because, like I mentioned, the other knife I've had for a decade. Funny enough, I felt like I found it on accident. It appeared in my drawer one day, and no matter who I asked, like if I borrowed it or someone else's, did I find it? No idea. I just only remember just having it one day and started using it. Well, about a few months ago, I was showing this to my dad, and he was like, "Where'd you get this?" And I was like, "I honestly don't remember. That's the thing. Like, I have no idea. I just had it one day." And by chance, Mom walks by. She's like, "Boy, I got you that knife for Christmas, the year of whatever." We all know moms. They don't forget. So she got this from Amazon. Like 2008, I think, or 2010. Yeah, great knife. I loved it. But sometimes when I want to wear something nice, got this beautiful thing right here.